Ministry of Justice is not only keen to get this program of peace building within our schools, but also from the schools to spread it into the communities. We want to thank the Canadian government, UNDP, for the gadgets. We have no doubt that they will help to improve the efficiency within our court system. We have no doubt that the idea is that you will improve the efficiency and the speed with which cases are being delivered. Each juror whose name is called for any circuit will be paid $2,000 for each day that juror attends circuit, or $2,000. Jurors who are impaneled and who serve on a case will now get $6,000 instead of the present $2,000, a 200% increase. We have increased the number of duty counsel who have been impaneled, and I can say, Madam Speaker, that everyone now who needs a lawyer at the police station, a duty counsel, or one in court, they just need to call a legal aid counsel and they're provided with an attorney.
I intend to collaborate with the executive so that the judiciary, the third arm of government, can take its rightful place in the governance of this country.
The amendment to the Maintenance Act seeks to allow for a maintenance order to be granted by the court after a child attains the age of 18 years for the purpose of engaging in a course of education or training.
The attorneys at law and justice service providers who have participated in this training have gained more than just technical skills in sign language. You have gained a critical understanding that legal aid is not merely a service, but a lifeline.
I will administer justice to all persons alike in accordance with the laws and usages of Jamaica without fear or favor, affection or ill will.
This amendment grants the DPP the right of appeal, and as a result, rules of court are currently being drafted to regulate the procedure necessary for the DPP to exercise the right to appeal.